In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a crossfade effect to your audio track in DaVinci Resolve. This is an essential skill for any video editor, as it helps you create smooth transitions between audio clips, giving your projects a professional polish. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to make sure you have DaVinci Resolve open on your computer. It's a powerful video editing software that offers a wide array of features, including audio editing capabilities. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download and install it from the official website before getting started. Once you have it up and running, navigate to the project you're working on or create a new one if you're just starting out. Now, with your project open, we need to focus on handling the audio within your timeline. Direct your attention to the audio portion in your project. You'll see your audio track displayed along your timeline, ready for editing. What we're aiming to do here is add a crossfade effect to smooth out transitions between two different audio clips. This will help in blending sounds seamlessly as one track ends and another begins. To begin, go ahead and click on the audio track you want to edit. Once you click on it, you should notice some controls popping up, particularly the volume bar. This volume bar is typically located on the upper right side of your workspace. It's a crucial tool that allows you to adjust the levels of your audio, ensuring it sounds just right. For our purpose, enhancing the transition between clips, we're going to add a fade effect. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the Effects panel. This panel contains a variety of tools and effects that you can apply to your audio and video tracks to achieve the desired effects. Once you're in the Effects panel, look for the Audio Transitions category. This section is dedicated to audio-specific transitions, which are essential for ensuring smooth and professional-sounding audio in your projects. Within this section, you'll see an option called Crossfade. This is exactly what we need. Click on Crossfade and you'll be applying a fade transition to your selected audio clip. This crossfade effect will help in gradually adjusting the audio levels between the clips, making the transition much smoother and more pleasing to the ear. It's particularly useful when you have background music or sound effects that need to transition evenly into dialogue or other sounds. Once you've applied the crossfade effect, take a moment to preview the transition by playing through it. This allows you to listen to how the audio flows between the clips. If needed, you can go back and make further adjustments to perfect the transition until it meets your satisfaction. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully added a crossfade effect to your audio track in DaVinci Resolve. This simple yet effective step can significantly enhance the quality of your video projects. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and keep editing to create even more amazing content.